So this year, my parents and I decided to make Basturma. I forget the Armenian name for it, but it's internationally known as Basturma. It's kind of like beef jerky, but it's salted meat, red meat. It's salted for a couple days to weeks, and then chaman is added to it. So it's lots of garlic, but it's amazing. So it's usually set to cure within 2 weeks, and then you could eat it. And it's raw, red meat. And I bought this machine as a Christmas gift for my dad, because when you cut this by hand, you take too many very, very thick slices. But I decided to give him something that he's always wanted. A slicer, a professional one. The way the slicer works is like so. You put the basturma right there. Okay, we first turn it on. You press, you could adjust it, but you turn it on like so. The very, very sharp blade starts spinning. You take this handlebar, just go left and right. It's very easy to do. You're doing it by one hand. And the results are on the bottom. I want you guys to see how cool this thing is. So just in case, turn it off. And the results are there. I'm supposed to put a plate there, but look how thin it is. It's perfection. It's really cool. So yeah, this machine was on Amazon for $300. You take these and you just eat them. And this is what basturma is. You could put it inside of a bread, like a sandwich. You could even put lemon on it, which I really like. And just eat them. It's really good. So now you have a couple ways of eating basturma. One is just taking a piece and just throwing it in your mouth, like so. Second one is taking an Armenian matnakash bread and putting it in there and eating like a sandwich. And the third one is taking lavash bread and putting it in a small piece or a big piece, depending on who you are. And so you take a long piece of bread. You can line it up like so. Just wrap it up. This is a lot. A lot of people don't do this. They usually take one or two and just bite into it. This is what it looks like. It's really good. Look how awesome it looks. It's like bruschetta, but it just tastes so much better. Please subscribe. If you want to know how this is made, put a comment below. Thank you. Have a great day.